20%. The GST chapter 8th illustration we are going to do. And in this past journal entries in the books of Deepak of Gujarat, the person is belonging from Gujarat, and if he is dealing in Gujarat, we will charge two taxes, CGST, SGST. And if he will he will do the transaction outside Gujarat, then IGST will be charged. First entry we are doing, purchase goods from Anupriya of Gujarat, rupees 2,50,000. Debit what comes in, credit the giver. In between we have to charge the taxes 9%. So 9% of 2,50,000 will be 22,500. 22,500. Now total we have to give to Anupriya 2,95,000. This is the first entry. We have purchased goods from Anupriya. Debit what comes in, credit the giver. We have purchased goods from Anupriya. Purchase account debit to Anupriya. In between we have to debit two taxes also, which we have paid. Debit all expenses and losses. Three rules here applied. Debit what comes in, debit all expenses and losses, credit the giver. Now next entry, February 5th. 2018, February 5th. Purchase goods from Rana Rathod of Rajasthan. Now a person of Gujarat is dealing to Rajasthan, a person of Rajasthan. IGST will be there. And in this question, only one difference is there, that every transaction there is a change in the percentage of CGST, SGST or IGST. They have purchased goods again from Rajasthan. Purchase account debit. Now input IGST account debit to Rana Rathod. But again the entry will be similar. Debit what comes in, debit all expenses and losses, credit the giver. We have purchased goods worth rupees 3 lakh. IGST they have informed 12%. Here it was 99%. Now here 12% they have already informed. 12% of 3 lakh will be 36,000, and now we have to give Rana Rathod 3,36,000. Beta, this is the entry for purchase. When we are purchasing from Gujarat and when we are purchasing from Rajasthan, means within the state, if we are purchasing within the state, then the entry will be CGST, SGST input. And if we are purchasing from outside the state, then we have to charge input IGST. This is the only difference between within the state and outside the state. Next entry bache 10th. Sold goods to Gurdeep Sidhu of Gujarat. Same state we are selling. Gurdeep, debit to sales account. Debit the receiver, credit goes out. With every sale we have to write output CGST. If same state is there, output SGST. We have sold goods costing was rupees 2 lakh. The sale price was 2 lakh. Now they have said 9% CGST SGST. 9% of 2 lakh will be 18,000. Now we have to charge from Gurdeep Sidhu 2,36,000. This is the sale entry within the state. Now 12th, paid railway freight 15,000. Railway freight, with every expense we also have to write the input SGST and CGST. We have paid through cash. We will write cash. Whatever we have paid freight charges 15,000. 15,000 will be debited, and they have informed us 99% was the CGST and SGST. Total we have paid 17,700. Every purchase or every expense input will be debited with. 16th bache, purchase a computer printer for office 80,000 from Dell Limited on credit. A computer printer will be called office equipment. A account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit to Dell Limited, because we have not paid yet. So we will write office equipment. We have purchased the printer for rupees 80,000 and 6% now they have told. Every time beta the percentage is changing in this question, and this is the only difference. We have to pay 89,600 to Dell Limited now. Is it okay, bache? 80,000 we have purchased office equipment, and input was CGST was 66%. CGST was 66%. Now the next entry after 16th, 24th is there. On 24th February, what we have done, sold goods to Ganga Ram of UP, goods for rupees 420 against a check which is deposited into bank. Now we have made the sale to UP on 24th, and we have received a check and deposited into the bank. So entry will become bank account debit to sales account. Since the person was from UP, so only one tax will be charged, IGST account. We have sold goods for rupees 4,20,000. They have informed us that IGST, they have clearly stated 18%. 18% will be 75,600. 18% we have to calculate for 4,20,000. Now this is your total amount which you have received. Bank to sales to output IGST, because we have purchased from outside the state. 25th Feb, paid for broadband services 10,000 by check. Broadband services 10,000 by check. Internet charges, they are called internet charges debit, input CGST. Expenses we assume that we have done in within the state. We are not going outside the state to do the expense. We have paid through bank. Internet charges was rupees 10,000. 6% was the CGST and SGST. Total we have paid 11,200. Last entry bache, payment made of balance amount of GST. We have made the payment last date of the month, and we have made the payment of GST. First of all, we will write the output IGST. Output IGST will be debited. For clearing it, input IGST will be credited. How much IGST we have collected till now? 75,600 output. And no, next we have previously it was input IGST is only 36,000 and output is much more than that. We will just clear this 36,000. Whatever we were having as input, we have just cleared that. Next bache, we are having output CGST. From output CGST and output input CGST will be charged, and output SGST, input SGST will be charged. We are allowed to keep whatever we have received. Means whatever we have received, output was 1818 and input was we are keeping 1818. Beta, in this question now we have input more than the output CGST and SGST. So we are utilizing first time the output IGST for settling the CGST and SGST. SGST. Whatever there will be the balance, it will be paid through bank. Input was more by 11,250 and output we were having this much and this we will pay 17,100. Beta, in this question